Wondering what the top 10 money-making websites are? Well, prepare to have your curiosity satisfied as we dive into the digital world of opportunity, where income streams are as diverse as they are lucrative. Starting at number 10, we have Etsy. This is a marketplace for creative minds. If you're a craftsperson, artist, or vintage item collector, Etsy is your digital storefront. It's a hub for unique, handcrafted, and vintage items where you can sell your creations to a global audience. Moving on to number 9, there's Shutterstock. If you're a photographer, illustrator, or video maker, Shutterstock is a goldmine. Sell your high-quality images, vectors, videos, and music to millions around the world. It's a win-win situation where you get to do what you love and earn from it too. At number 8, we find Swagbucks. This is a go-to site for those who enjoy making money by doing simple tasks. This can be as easy as taking surveys, watching videos, or even shopping online. Coming in at number 7, it's Fiverr. Are you a freelancer? Fiverr is the perfect platform for you. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or digital marketer, Fiverr connects you with clients who need your skills. It's a great way to build your portfolio and earn money from your expertise. Just ahead at number 6, we have Upwork. Similar to Fiverr, Upwork serves as a meeting point for freelancers and clients. But with a broader scope and larger projects, it can be a stepping stone to long-term contracts and therefore a consistent income. Halfway there at number 5, it's eBay. The long-standing king of online resale, eBay is a platform where you can sell just about anything. From secondhand items to brand new products, eBay offers a vast market for your goods. At number 4, we find Amazon. With its Fulfillment by Amazon program, you can sell your products on the world's largest online retailer. Amazon handles storage, packaging, and shipping, which means you can focus on growing your business. Closing in on the top at number 3, there's YouTube. If you have a knack for creating engaging content, YouTube can be an excellent source of income. From ad revenue to sponsorships, the earning potential on YouTube is virtually unlimited. Runner-up at number 2, we have Teachable. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge? Teachable allows you to create and sell your own online courses. It's a fantastic way to monetize your expertise. And finally, we've reached the top spot, and it's none other than the powerhouse of the web, Google. With its Google AdSense program, you can earn money by displaying ads on your website or blog. It's a simple and effective way to generate income from your online presence. So there you have it, the top 10 money-making websites. Each one offers unique opportunities to earn money, whether it's by selling products, offering services, or sharing your expertise. The digital world is full of potential, and these platforms are the keys to unlocking it. So why not give them a try? After all, your next big income stream could be just a click away.